Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can add a location on Facebook when you post a post or a photo. How do you do that? It's very simple. You want to go to Facebook, go to your account, click here, add to story, or you can go a little bit lower, click you post, write any information here, add a picture. Now we have to click on the button, location, and here you click on the button. Check in. Now you can allow to specify your location. Now click on search and choose any place. For example, I will choose this, specify this location, and click on the button. Post. The post says that it was made in such and such place. If a person clicks on it, it will show him this place on the map. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.